When it came time to take things to the next level, I knew that I had to make a website, and Wix was perfect for that.
I'm Josh Harmon.
I'm a musician, I'm a content creator, and I'm a sound effects artist. I wanted to create videos as universal as possible that had no language in them so that anyone could enjoy them, and that was how I came up with the idea to do sound effects. I took cartoons and I used my drum set and their instruments and I recreated all the sound effects to the scene where they're cooking up some soup. From the moment I uploaded this video, I could just feel that something was a little bit different. It was insane. I was 25 million views on Instagram. I really didn't know what to do, and it was my grandma. She just turned 99. She said, "You've got a good idea. Now's the time to focus and just keep doing it." Now I have over 20 million followers across my social media channels, and each of my videos gets millions of views. As my brand continues to grow, creating a website, it's the natural next step. And so I made a website on Wix. I wanted the website to really represent me and my entire brand, and it perfectly matched the tone that I was trying to get, which is playful, yet professional. When the website came together, I had a similar feeling to how I feel when I've gotten that perfect take on one of my videos. I had a big smile on my face, and I just was like, oh my God, this is perfect.